Hi there. There is a video doing rounds on social media whereby the new governor of Kisii County, Simba Arati, has started cracking the whip on some of the corrupt county officials and pushing for accountability on how officials have been using county money, which, by the way, I think is something very good, very, very good. See that video for yourself.
Tukwambia tafadhali ile ambayo kidogo imebaki rudisha kwa county. Tumekusamea lakini hatuwezi sahau. Ama vipi? Hizo mmeleta hapa ziko na 30 party. Some of them, isn't it? Ndio nataka nione. Waziri, what have you been procuring? Comprehensive. You will be surprised that you are seeing covers here 30 party. And we are talking of 82 vehicles. I'm sure the story I have, procurement of those insurances, they are more than 82, whereas you have less than 82 vehicles. And that's what I've said, that tafadhali, wewe ambao umesimamia transport, gari zote, kesho. Sasa nini? Ile iko kwa garage, wacha niambie iko garage gani. I'm forming a special team to check where they are. Zile ambazo zinasikia wameficha. I'm told even at the county assembly, gari za county assembly, people, they're having them in their homes.
This one's not in charge.
Who is in charge?
There is an officer, clerk of the relationship.
Nataka atakamatwa. Hizo gari zote. I'm giving instruction, lazima akamatwe. Haizi chukua gari za serikali ameweka kwake. I'm actually asking this afternoon. Hizo gari zote lazima ziko kwa assembly. Hata kama ni MCs ambao walikuwa na magari na yako makwao, communicate. Gari zote kufika kesho zirudi at the county assembly.
As you can see in that video, the new governor Simba Arati is actually pushing for 3 things. First thing, an explanation with regards to how the county payroll has been having ghost drivers. And this is so because the county, according to the payroll, that's where people get paid the salaries and so forth, has 286 drivers in the payroll. And yet, the county has only 82 vehicles. So, where do the excess over 200 drivers come from? And even more astonishing, what work do they do? Because the county has only 82 vehicles. And yet, the people being paid each and every month is 286. And then the second question, or the second concern the county governor has, is that there needs to be accountability with regards to all the vehicles in the county. Because the in charge of transport was arguing that the vehicles which have been counted are 82, but the county has more vehicles without giving an exact number. So Simba Arati was pushing for, within a day, for all the vehicles to be availed, and in case even others are in the garage, there needs to have documentation with regards to exactly where they are, so that he can actually confirm that vehicles are there. And then the third thing, which in fact is more astonishing, is that the county vehicles don't have the ideal insurance. Just think about it. The county vehicles don't have ideal insurance, in that the county vehicles should ideally have comprehensive insurance, which, by the way, is what was paid for according to expenses in the county. And yet, almost all the vehicles have third-party insurance, which even left the governor more astonished. But he is pushing for accountability so that people don't play with monies of 1 inches, right? And I think this should also be the situation in other counties out there. And by the way, which county do you come from? Drop a comment down below, share with us, which county are you from? And most importantly, is your county better, or we're talking about even your county being worse in terms of leaders being corrupt and there being consistent theft of public resources and public monies? Share with us in the comment section down below. Where do you come from? Which is your county in Kenya? And also, is your county better, or your county also has corruption? Having said that, You are all much welcomed to Money Daily YouTube channel. I'm yours, Afagza Sifuna. By the way, if you're new here, kindly remember to join the family by subscribing. Click that subscribe button so that you get notified each and every day when I upload videos around current affairs and also how you can multiply your money. Having said that, when the country inaugurated the 2010 Constitution, it was a new dawn for the country, whereby everyone, including the leaders, saw a new light for the country, in that the past injustices, the past things which the law didn't address, could actually be addressed with ease. Yes, over the past 10 years or so, we've seen good things happening because of the Constitution, right? We've seen more increased independence in the judiciary. We've seen coffers going to the counties and so forth. There have been good fruits with regards to this implementation of the new Constitution. But also, we have seen some inefficiencies being delegated to the counties. For example, with devolution, actually corruption has been devolved to the lowest level of governance in the country. You know, before it was centralized. But now, with devolution, corruption has actually been spread out to the counties. You find, for example, if a county governor is corrupt, if the people to keep him in check are also corrupt, then most likely the county is going to suffer for the duration the governor is going to be in office. And sadly, it is a political game. Someone can be a governor, even if there's proof of corruption. The National Assembly won't even vindicate them. They won't be impeached because they are aligned, for example, to the right party. And with that, I want to pose a question. What do you think needs to happen for there to be increased accountability in the counties and for people who steal monies from the public to be held to account? Drop your comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue engaging there. In my humble opinion, I think the very first thing which needs to happen is that we need to make punishments relating to anyone stealing money from the public more stringent. In fact, the fines, the bonds, and even the jail term need to be very, very heavy, such that someone even thinking of stealing, just give them thoughts of crazy time they're going to go through in case they are caught. So, things like, for example, saying someone just pays a fine of 50k, 100k, 1 million, and yet they have stolen hundreds of millions, it doesn't make sense, right? Even tell someone, for example, in case you have stolen $500 million, pay a bond of 20 million. What is that? This person is actually going to pay the bond and pay the fine using the monies they stole and then go out there, continue stealing more and more money. I think we need stringent punishment when it comes to someone stealing from the public. And even beyond that, I think we need more efficient processes in the judiciary. Cases need to be heard very fast and determined very fast. What do you think? What do you think is going to be the solution for the perennial corruption in Kenya, and more so with the devolved corruption? Drop a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.